Honda Civic FA1 valve cover unboxing. Valve cover body. Valve cover gasket. Tools required for replacing the Honda Civic FA1 valve cover. Hydrogenation catalyst. Sealant. Electric ratchet wrench. Medium-sized ratchet wrench. Medium-sized torque wrench. Slip joint pliers. Flathead screwdriver. Scraper. Medium-sized 10mm deep socket. Medium-sized 10mm short socket. Use a lint-free cloth to clean the valve cover mounting surface. Open the hood. Prop the hood open with the support rod. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the decorative cover above the ignition coil harness. Turn the flathead screwdriver counterclockwise 90 degrees. Remove the decorative cover. Disconnect the ignition coil connector. Use a medium 10mm deep socket with an electric ratchet wrench to remove the ignition coil mounting bolts. Remove the ignition coils. Use a medium 10mm deep socket with an electric ratchet wrench to remove the mounting bolts for the ignition coil wiring harness bracket. Remove the wiring harness clip above the alternator. Move the wiring harness aside. Use a 10mm short socket with an electric ratchet wrench to remove the interior wiring harness mounting bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the plastic protective cover above the fuel rail. The protective cover is held in place by plastic clips. Simply pull it straight up to remove. Separate the fuel injector harness inside. Use pliers to release the clamp on the PCV hose. Use a medium ratchet wrench with a medium 10mm deep socket to loosen the bolts around the valve cover. There are 4 bolts on the inside. Loosen them one by one. Use a medium 10mm deep socket to loosen all remaining bolts around the valve cover. Remove all the bolts. There are 8 bolts total. Remove the oil dipstick. Remove the valve cover. Disconnect the PCV hose from the rear. Remove the valve cover gasket. Note the 4 bolt holes at the rear of the valve cover. Remove the oil filler cap. Install the new valve cover gasket onto the new valve cover. Start at the corners and work your way around. Ensure the gasket is fully seated. Use a scraper to remove the old sealant from the sealing surface between the timing cover and the cylinder head. Use a lint-free cloth with hydrogenation catalyst to clean any oil residue and debris from the mounting surface. Apply sealant to the joint between the timing cover and the cylinder head. Install the new valve cover. Make sure the contact surfaces are free of oil and debris during installation. Reinstall the PCV hose. Install the valve cover mounting bolts. Use a 10mm deep socket with a torque wrench to tighten the valve cover mounting bolts. Tightening torque, 10 Nm or 7 foot-pounds. Tighten the bolts in a crisscross pattern from the center outward. Use pliers to tighten the PCV hose clamp. Install the oil filler cap. Reinstall the oil dipstick. Reinstall the protective cover above the fuel rail. First, secure the wiring harness. Align it with the mounting holes and press down firmly. Secure the wiring harness clip on top of the cover. Secure the rear wiring harness bracket. Install the bolt. Reinstall the spark plug wires at the front. Pay attention to the clips at the rear. Install the bolts. Secure the wiring harness clip above the alternator. Use a 10mm short socket with a torque wrench to tighten the wiring harness bracket mounting bolts. Tightening torque, 10 Nm or 7 foot-pounds. Install the ignition coils. During installation, make sure there is no debris or foreign material inside the ignition coil bores. Install the ignition coil mounting nuts. Use a 10mm deep socket with a torque wrench to tighten the ignition coil mounting nuts. Tightening torque, 12 Nm or 9 foot-pounds. Reconnect the ignition coil connectors. Reinstall the decorative cover above the wiring harness. Use a flathead screwdriver to tighten the bolts on the cover. Turn clockwise 90 degrees. After installation, start the engine and check for any oil leaks. If no leaks are found, close the hood.